pure eyes glued at Gulveer Singh, Vikas Kumar Bind, and Shivaji Madappa Karnataka, and that is the start for a grueling 12 and a half lap, the real test of your endurance and your vim, vigor and vitality. The initial leader on the board is 1-3-2. Sandeep Singh of Goa is leading the pack, but another boy of 2-9-4, Mrunal Sarode of Maharashtra is leading the pack. So there will be a tremendous up and down. There will be a frequent change of positions as the Asian Games are coming, and this will be a qualifying event for the Asian Games. 12 and a half lap. Some of the star-studded are Gulveer Singh, the man who is close to running sub-13 and the first Asian to touch the sub-27 minutes. Look at the inspirations and spirit. The new boy on the board is 1-3-2. As I was mentioning, there will be frequent change. Initial leaders and very high pace has been set. So 1 minute 17.4 seconds on the clock here at the 65th edition of the National Interstate Senior Athletics Championship 2026. What a vibrant morning here at the Kalinga Stadium. The atmosphere is scintillating, mesmerizing, and the top Indian talent is vying for excellence. 1-3-2. Sandeep Singh of Goa, born in 1999, so 28 years of age, still looking stronger. But the dark horses are holding at back, where Gulveer Singh, the national record holder, will be the limelight, and that is going to be the first event. And still they are in good control, no aggressiveness that can be seen in the last lap of this events, and nicely they are building towards the momentum for men's 5,000 meter. The national record holder Gulveer Singh is vying for excellence and hoping for the Indian tricolor rising high in coming Asian game at Aichi in Japan. What a fabulous lineup. Look at these boys just judging each other. Now 4-3-5. Gulveer Singh representing Uttar Pradesh is the leader on the board and building the marginal lead and trying to just increasing that margin. Look at the aerial view of this race here at the Kalinga Stadium. So we are here. A.L. Muttu along with Sahil Jamid Rizvi is giving voice to this race. We have seen that Gulveer Singh has set very high standard for the 5,000 meter.
So far, all the 14 starters remained as a bunch, and now we could see the top bunch is being constituted by 4 of the athletes, and that is Gulveer Singh of Uttar Pradesh, who is in front. In the second position, it is Harmanjit Singh of Punjab at present. In the third, Ravi Gulia of Chhattisgarh. In the fourth, Abhishek Paul of Uttar Pradesh. And if we could look into the results of the last edition of this championship, it was Abhishek of Uttar Pradesh who had won the gold for 15 minutes 00.83 seconds, while Kiran Matre of Maharashtra won the silver and Rahul of Haryana won the bronze. And as far as the Federation Cup, which was in Ranchi during May 2026, it was Shivaji Parashuram Madappa Godra of Karnataka who had won gold for a timing of 14 minutes 14.43 seconds, leaving Vinod Singh of Madhya Pradesh for the silver and Deepak Bhatt of Uttarakhand for bronze.
Well, the race is going well for the spectators who are watching us online. Please keep your eyes, the young athletes, how the lap they are covering. What is the first lap time? 12.5 laps for these young athletes to be completed in 5,000 men finals at 65 National Interstate Senior Athletic Championship 2026. So every lap, every stride, every bit of time, it counts for the young athletes. So now the leading athlete is beep number 332. Harmanjot Singh of Punjab. He is now leading the race, followed by beep number 435 Gulveer Singh, the national record holder and the meet record holder as well. He serves for Indian Army as a Subedar, Naik Subedar. So for the spectators who are watching, the young athletes, the juniors, learn from this how they are taking the first lap, what will be the time they are keeping for the first lap, second lap, how the pace is being maintained by them, and the pace setting. They are going by their watches. Every time they come closer to the line, they watch the watch that the pace is quite good or quite slow according to them, how they have been trained for it, because it's endurance run with lot of speed, we can say nowadays. So what do you think, sir? Because the young athletes, they are covering a lot of times as well. We have seen in lot of events. Still we have like 5,000 meters. Lot of national record has been broken this year.
So the Harmanjot Singh of Punjab with number 332 is the present leader on the board and setting a very high standard, very high pace for the men's 5,000 meter. The Asian Game qualifying mark is 13 minute 39.18 seconds, and here the clock is ticking at 7 minutes past 56 seconds, and the 14 various odd athletes from representing Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Uttarakhand, but the two top from the Uttar Pradesh were Abhishek Paul, his personal best is 13 minute 33.51 second. He was 6th at the 2025 Asian Championship. So it's a UP versus the rest of the India, where Abhishek Paul and Gulveer Singh is challenged by the boy from the Punjab, the land of ivory of Harmanjot Singh, born in 1995. So still competing at such a high level. 31 years of age. Hydration is very, very vital. Skipping any hydration point can be a costing at the later stage, as the humidity is a little higher here, but the temperature is what is required. So it's an early morning time, and just we are building towards the blockbuster event of the morning session, and the real battle is still waiting. That will be in the last few kilometers for the men's 5,000 meter. This is the time that who got the heart and who got the guts and who got the acceleration. That will be the deciding in the last few laps for the men's 5,000 meter.
Well, you could see now top 4 athletes. The top bunch will have to go for 4 more laps, and 4 constitute as the top bunch, being Shivaji Parashuram Madappa Godra of Karnataka, being the leader at present, and he happens to be the gold medal winner in the Federation Cup at Ranchi just last month. and he is leading the pack now, following Shivaji Parashuram. It is bid number 435, Gulveer Singh of Uttar Pradesh. At present in the third position, it is Harmanjot Singh of Punjab. In the fourth, it is 429, that is Abhishek Pal of Uttar Pradesh. With 14 having started, 11 remain on track. Among the 11, 4 constitute the top bunch, and still they are moving strong. It could be anybody's race. Still it is Shivaji Parashuram Gowda of Karnataka who is in the lead. Following him is Gulveer Singh of Uttar Pradesh. And of course, 3 of the athletes are trying to catch up the lead bunch. The lead bunch constitutes of 4 athletes. Shivaji Parashu Gowda of Karnataka moving strong, moving in a good pace, and the season the Gulveer Singh of Uttar Pradesh is closely following him. Gulveer Singh, Asian Championship double gold medalist of 2025. Two laps to go for the lead bunch. And there we could see the athletes are about to pick up speed, and only 2 more laps. All the 4 are so close. Of course, 3 are following them. The third position presently it is Harmanjot Singh of Punjab.
So still the battle is on, and we are building towards a blockbuster performance. Look at the blood, sweat and tears that will take you for a great effort. So these athletes, the burning the midnight oil, and now the time to keep your chin high. A very close battle. Still the battle is on, and who is holding his card? Who is the dark horse in the final kick? The real battle is now on. Gulveer Singh, Shiv Prasad Madugoppa, and so look at this, the bell lap, and the man on the charge is Gulveer Singh, going for glory, keeping his chin high. But the Shivaji Prasad Madugoppa is not giving up. Look at this boy, determined and fabulous, aggressive. And now the build-up is so high. The Asian Game qualification mark is 13 minutes 39 18 second, and here 13 minutes 27 second is on progress. Look at this boy, fantastic finishing kick into the back straight, into the home straight, and just heading towards the glory, going for the gold. This is the blood bath, this is the sweat bath he has gone for numbers of years. A great sigh of relief and blockbuster performance here at the Kalinga Stadium. But at 2 and 3, it's between the Abhishek Paul and Shivaji Parashu. A fantastic run. Looking eagerly, just time to greet each other for their efforts. So brave run by is the the 5,000 meter. At world level they are going 50 or 51 second lap. So